It was prompt and pageantry as the second E195-E2 aircraft for the Air Peace Airline received a traditional water salute at the Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport on Thursday. This is part of a 30 aircraft ordered by the Frontline airline to boost its operations. Top government officials, foreign investors, and management of Air Peace graced the historical location.
What other people are enjoying in other climes, I think it's high time we begin to do because we have the capacity and the capability to do so.
But most importantly, where we're going to benefit is on the maintenance program. The interval, the safety built into the aircraft.
Second new airplane, what does it mean for you as a pilot?
Oh, it's very nice. It's a pleasure being here in Nigeria, and I'm really happy to bring the second airplane for you guys. And it's a fly-by-wire aircraft too.
The chairman of Air Peace, Alan Onyema, said the new aircraft will provide over 8,000 new jobs for Nigerians.
This is an aircraft that, God forbid, if all the powers shut down 30,000 feet above sea level, all the powers shut down. All our staff who were on unpaid leave as a result of the COVID thing. Not only that, we restored our staff to their salary pre-COVID. But it means that it's going to cut costs. The cost of operations is very low compared to other aircraft. That will help us to even cut down the cost of airfares to make it possible for Nigerians to fly safely, comfortably, and happily too. Our Honorable Minister of Aviation, for the revolution he has caused in the industry so far, positive revolution. I want to thank the President Muhammad Buhari. This airline will soon get the permit to start flying India and China.
The E195-E2 Embraer aircraft will help Air Peace achieve its ambition of connecting not just all of Nigeria, but the whole of African continent, while feeding long-haul flights from the Lagos hub. Air Peace is also the first airline to configure the premium cabin with staggered seats option. Each of the 12 business class seats is slightly offset from the other to give more space and, of course, privacy. There are 3 rows of seats arranged 2 by 2 at 51-inch pitch in the 124-seater aircraft. Passengers by the windows have unobstructed access to the aisle, so they don't need to awkwardly step over their seatmates or ask them to move aside. Wow, it's so comfortable. Funke Ogulolu, OIT News Abuja.